sun wakes up and paints the sky. Golden rays are shining high.
A gentle breeze begins to play, chasing the night and starting the day.
Birds are singing sweet and clear,
Songs of joy for all to hear.
trees stand tall with branches wide, giving shade where children hide. Flowers bloom in colors bright, turning gardens into light. The river runs with sparkling flow, whispering secrets soft and slow.
Butterflies dance with wings of gold, a story of beauty quietly told.
Mountains rise with peaks so tall, watching kindly over all. The stars will shine when day is done, guarding dreams for everyone. Nature is magic near and far, a gift of peace beneath each star. Trees stand tall with branches wide, the world is full of harmony. Trees stand tall with branches wide, the children hide. Trees stand tall with branches wide, giving shade where children hide. Flowers bloom in colors bright, turning gardens into light. Light to light.